Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel out your pre-orders on your Nintendo Switch. And this is actually really easy. Let's go down to the Nintendo eShop, select A on that, and choose your profile. I'm going to choose Timothy. Now wait for the Nintendo eShop to load. It's going to take about 5 to 10 seconds. Then go all the way to the right, and then up. And go to the profile icon, and select A on that. Now under here, scroll all the way down to where it says pre-orders. Then if you have any pre-orders, you can cancel them out right here. Now on the top says you can cancel pre-orders anytime before payment has been collected. See the About Pre-orders page for more information. About pre-orders, let's select that. So you can cancel those out if you haven't paid for them yet. So you can cancel out real easy under this section. And you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.